Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 310 Dunbar Road in Hilton.
This is an amazing ranch property with handicap accessible features on over an acre with a creekside setting.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour.
Welcome your family and friends with this spacious foyer, leading to a formal dining and living room with beautiful hardwood floors.
This is one-floor open living at its best, with a great room featuring a spacious kitchen with beautiful wood cabinetry and a large pantry. Open to a dining and living area with great natural light and a gorgeous brick fireplace with a wood-burning stove. Plus an adjacent sunroom with a wall of windows and scenic nature views. This home also features a first-floor laundry room and a full lower level with access from your own elevator.
A separate bedroom wing features 3 spacious bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms, including an owner's suite with a walk-in closet and beautiful country views.
Everything is handicap accessible from the entryway to the kitchen and bathrooms, even the hallways and doors. This property has a maintenance-free exterior and is situated on a scenic over 1.5 acre lot with a tranquil creek and beautiful landscaping, perfect for relaxing and enjoying nature.
Waterfront activities are a blast on Lake Ontario. The views are just spectacular.
Nearby is beautiful Hamlin Beach State Park. Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 310 Dunbar Road in Hilton.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!